Hi friends, good morning everyone. Already we have discussed in our previous class about divisibility rules and what are whole numbers, what are prime numbers, what are composite numbers. Already we have discussed in our previous class. Today we are going to discuss about LCM. LCM, that means a lowest common multiple. Lowest or least, lowest common multiple. Today we are going to learn about LCM, how to do problems on LCM. Yes, for example, consider first example. (24) and 36. Now we are going to find out LCM of 24 and 36. For solving LCM we have some methods. What are those methods? Now we will discuss. First method, multiples method, and then second method, prime factorization method, and then third method, division method. To solve LCM we have some methods to find out LCM for the given numbers. First method, multiples method, and then second method, prime factorization method, and then third method, division method. In this multiples method we have to write for the given numbers first multiples and then write common multiples, and then we have to find out lowest common multiple of their two numbers. Next, in this prime factorization method, for these two numbers we have to find out first prime factors, after common prime factors, and then LCM. Next, in this division method, for these two numbers at a time we have to take and do by division method. Yes, first we are going to discuss about multiples method. Multiples method. In this method here we have two numbers. I have taken here two numbers. What is that first number? Let us take another example and small example. Six and 12. Here I have taken two numbers. Now we are going to find out multiples method, LCM. First, multiples of 6. First find out multiples of 6. Multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 and 6, that means 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, like that. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, so on. Next, we are going to find out multiples of 12. We are going to find out multiples of 12. In the same way, 12 multiples are, that means 12 table. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, so on. Next, first I have taken two numbers for finding LCM for those two numbers. First, multiples for 6 are here and multiples of 12 are here. Multiples means 6 multiples means 6 table. 12 multiples means 12 table. Next, for these two we have to encircle the common multiples. For these two numbers we have to encircle the common multiples. 12 is common for both, and again 24 is common for both, and again 36 is common for both, and 48 and so on. First common multiple is 12, and then second 24, and then third 36, and then fourth 48. Here we are going to write common multiples of 6 and 12. Common multiples of 6 and 12. What are the common multiples here? 12, 24, 36, and then 48, and so on. From these group of common multiples, which is the least one, that is LCM. That means LCM means lowest common multiple. For the two numbers, here we have common multiples. From the common multiples of the both the numbers, which is the least one, that is only LCM. Then LCM is 12. From these all group of common multiples, 12 only the least one. So LCM is 12. This is about multiples method. In multiples method, we are going to find out LCM like this. Again, once listen. First I have taken two numbers here, and then multiples of 6 are, that means 6 table, and then 12 multiples are here, 12 table, and then after we have to encircle the common multiples of both 6 and 12. 12, 24, and then 36, and then 48. Next, we are going to identify common multiples here. After, from the group of common multiples, which is the least one, that is only LCM. Next, going to discuss about prime factorization method. The second method, prime factorization method. I have to take same example again here. 6 and 12. I have taken same example here, 6 and 12. In this method, prime factorization method, in this method we are going to use only prime numbers as a factors. Only use prime numbers as a factors. First, we have to consider 6, and we are going to find prime factors for 6 here. We have to draw like this. Next, 6 is a even number, so it is definitely divisible by 2. So I have taken 2 here, and 2 in this 3 times 2 3s are 6. Again 3 is not an even number, so it is not divisible by 2. 3 itself a prime number, so 3 itself divides 3 at one time. Next, for 12, same process. Yes, 12. 2 is an even number, so 12 definitely divisible by 2. I have taken 2 here. 2 in this 6 times 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is an even number. Again 2 is possible in this number. Again I drawn 2 here. 2 in this 3 times 2 3s are 6. Again 3 itself a prime number. 3 1s are 3. Next, first find out prime factors like this. After, what are the prime factors of 6? Prime factors of 6 are 2 into 3. 2 into 3. No need to write 1 here. 1 is not a prime number, so that is not a prime factor. Next, prime factors of 12 here. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. After, we have to encircle common factors for both the numbers. Next, we have to encircle the common factors for both the numbers. Here 2 is common for both, and again 3 is common for both. Here 2 is common for both, that's why we are encircling here, and again 3 is a common for both, again we are encircling 3 here. Next, we are going to find out LCM of 6 and 12. In this prime factorization method, we have to take common factors, and we have to take uncommon factors also here. First we have to take common factors, and we have to take uncommon factors also here. And then again listen, from these two common factors, one is enough for LCM. From these two common factors, one factor is enough for LCM. From these two 2's we have to take 1 2 only, and from these two 3's we have to take 1 3 only, and we have to take uncommon factors also. How many of uncommon factors here? Only one uncommon factor, that is 2. Next we have to multiply these factors. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. What is the LCM of 6 and 12 here? 12. Prime factorization method, we have to use only prime factors. After first to find out 6 prime factors here and then 12 prime factors here. After we have to encircle the common factors for both, and next going to find out LCM here. LCM is we have to encircle already common factors here. From these two common factors, one factor is enough. From these 2 3's we have taken 1 3 only, and then next take remaining factors also here, and after we have to multiply all the factors and we get the LCM finally. Next we are going to discuss about division method. The third method, division method. I have taken again same example, 6 and 12. I have taken same example here again, 6 and 12. In this division method we have to find out factors for 6 and 12 at the same time. Here in this method we are going to use composite numbers also. Here we have two numbers, 6 and 12. For these two numbers, which table is common? I have taken that number as a factor. For 6 and 12, 6 table is common. 6 table is common. 6 1s are 6 and then 6 2s are 12. Again 1 and 2, no more common factors, so up to here enough. Next, LCM is 6 into 1 into 2. What are the factors here? 6 into 1 into 2. 6 into 1 into 2. 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. What is the LCM here? 12. In this division method we are going to find factors for two numbers at the same time, and in this method we have to use composite numbers also. For 6 and 12, which is the common factor, I have to take that number as a factor here. For 6 and 12, 6 table is common. I have drawn 6 here, and 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. Then after I have to find out LCM. Very simple in this method, find out LCM. 6 into 1 into 2. We have to multiply all the factors, then we get the LCM easily. I hope you understand, all of you, these three methods to find LCM. Now we are going to do some other problems. Another example. Find the LCM of 6 and 18 and 36. Now we have taken three numbers, 6 and 18 and 36. We have to use, first we are going to find out by prime factorization method. Multiples method is very easy, so we are going to find out through prime factorization method. First to find out prime factors for 6. Here 6 is an even number, so it is exactly divisible by 2. So I have drawn 2 here, 2 in this 3 times, 2 3s are 6. 3 is an even odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. So 3 itself a prime number, so 3 itself divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. Next we are going to find out prime factors for 18. Again 18 is an even number, so I have drawn 2 here. Why? Because 18 even number, it is divisible by 2. I have drawn 2 here, 2 in this 9 times. Again 9 is not an even number, it is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. I know that 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 is a prime number, so itself divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. Again I am going to find out 36 prime factors. Again 36 is ended with a 6, so it is an even number, so again it is divisible by 2. Already we discussed in our previous class about divisibility rules. In that rules we are learning about if a number is ended with, that means in ones place any even number is there, means that number exactly divisible by 2. That's why we are thinking like 36 is ended with 6, 6 is an even number, that's why 36 is divisible by 2. How many times in 2 table? 18 times 36. Again 18 is an even number, again it is divisible by 2 and 2 9s are, again 9, 3 3s are, again 3 is a prime number itself, 3 1s are. Next prime factors for 6 is equals to 2 into 3. No need to take 1. Again prime factors of 18, 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3. Next again prime factors of 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next we are going to encircle the common factors for these 3 numbers. We are going to encircle common factors for these 3 numbers. 2 is common here and again 3 is common here. Next find out LCM of 6 and 18 and 36. Next we are going to find out LCM of 6 and 18 and 36. First take common factors. From these 3 common factors we have to take 1 factor is enough, 2, and from these 3 common factors 1 is enough. Next again from these 2 common factors 1 factor is enough, and we have to take uncommon factors also, and uncommon factor is 2 here. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. Finally we got the LCM here. What is the LCM here? 36. Next by division method for the same problem. We are going to find out LCM for the same problem through division method. For division method we have to take at a time 3 numbers, 6 and 18 and 36. From these 3 numbers, which is the common table? 6 table. So that's why I have taken 6 here. Why? Because 6 is common in these 3 numbers. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 18, 6 6s are 36. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 18, 6 6s are 36. Again from these 2 numbers, 2 table is common. 1, it is not possible, then again write here 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Next, no, do not have any common factors, so stop up to here. Then LCM of 6 and 18 and 36 is, we have to multiply all the factors. 6 into 2 into 1 into 1 into 3. 6 into 2 into 1 into 1 into 3. Multiply means we get the LCM here 36. If we multiply means we get the LCM here as 36. have to consider another example here. And 16 and 34. Now we are going to find out LCM for these two numbers by using division method. We have to take which number is common for these two numbers. I have drawn here. 2 table is common here. 2 8s are 16, 2 17s are 34. 2 8s are 16, 2 17s are 34. Next, any common factors for these two numbers? No. So leave up to here and we can multiply all the factors. Two 8s are 16, 16 into 17. The LCM is 272. Finally, we get the LCM. Next. Next, another example, 4 and 12 and 24. First, we are going to use prime factorization method here for 4. 2 is the factor for 4 here. 4 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. That's why I have drawn 2 here. 2 2s are 4. Again, 2 1s are 2. Again, we have taken 12 here, and again 12 is also a even number, so it is divisible by 2. That's why I have drawn 2 here, and 2 6 are 12, again 2 3s are 6, again 3 itself a prime number, that's why 3 1s are 3. Again I have taken 24 here, and 2 is a factor for 24, 2 12s are 24, again 2 6 are, again 2 3s are, again 3 1s are. Next, factors for 4. Prime factors for 4 is equals to 2 into 2, and again prime factors for 12 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3. And then prime factors for 24 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Next, we are going to encircle the common factors for these three numbers. 2 is common for these three numbers, so that's why I have encircled here. And again 2 is common. Again 3 is common here for these two numbers. Next, LCM of 4 and 12 and 24. These three common factors take only one common factor. 2 into, again 2, again 3, again we have to take uncommon factors also. If we multiply means we get the LCM here as 24. Again we get the LCM as 24. We have to observe one thing here. Here 4 and 12 and 24 we get the LCM 24 here. Again we have to observe the thing is 4 and 12 are 24 is the multiple of 4 and 12. If one number is multiple of other two numbers, that is the LCM. If the bigger number is multiple of other two numbers, then biggest number is the LCM. If a bigger number is multiple of other two numbers, then the bigger number is the LCM. 4 6 are 24, 12 2s are 24. So 24 is the multiple of 4 and 12 also. So Here 24 is multiple of for both. That's why 24 is the LCM here. Next we are going to do same sum through division method. For the same problem, we are going to do through division method. Next, for these three numbers, which is the common table here, 4. So that's why I have taken 4 here. 4 in this one time, 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 24. Again, for these two numbers, 3 is common. So again write 1 here, 3 in this 1, 3 in this 2. Again, there is no common factors for any two numbers. That's why up to here is enough. Next, LCM of 4 and 12 and 24 is 4 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 2. 4 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 2. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Again we get LCM as 24. By using any method for finding LCM, we get the LCM as same. Once again discuss about the prime numbers, how to find prime numbers. A number which is having only two factors, that are 1 and itself has a factors, are called prime numbers. A number is having only two factors, that are 1 and itself, then we can call them as a prime numbers. For example, we have to consider 2 here. For 2, what are the factors for 2? 2 is comes in one table and two table. 2 is comes in only 1 and 2 tables. How many factors 2 is having here? Only 2 factors, that are 1 and itself. The number which is having only 2 factors, that are 1 and itself. So we can call them the number as a prime number. So we can call them the number as a prime number. So 2 is a prime number here. Again we are going to find another number 3. Again we have to find out 2 factors for 3 here. 3 is comes in only 1 table and 3 table. 3 is comes in only 1 table and 3 table. How many factors the 3 having here? Only 2 factors. 1 and itself as a factor. So 3 is also a prime number. Okay, next we will discuss in our next class.